topic and a new subject. Subject is English grammar. Chapter number 1, common nouns, proper nouns and regular plurals. Now first of all I will start with common nouns. What is common nouns? We use common noun. We use common nouns for people, places, animals, things, and for ideas. And for what? And for ideas. We use common noun for people, places, animals, things, and for ideas. So here I am giving you few examples of people. People like mother, doctor, teacher, all these are common noun. People like teacher, mother, father, grandfather, doctor, policeman, etc. All these are examples of common noun. Places like school, park, zoo, beach, all these are examples of common noun as well. Animals. Animals like dogs, cats, lions, tigers, all these are common noun. Now things. Few examples of things: pen, pencil, chalk, chair, bottle, all these are listed in things and as common noun. Ideas. Happiness, fun, etc. are the ideas. Now students, let me tell you one thing. Teacher, doctor, mother, all these are common noun. But a special name is given. For example, Durga teacher. Now Durga teacher will not be common noun because a special name is given. If a special name is given to a noun, then that noun will not be a common noun. More example like school. School is a common noun. But if a name is given to a school like Maharishi Sandipani, then Maharishi Sandipani school will not be a common noun. But school is a common noun. Okay? Animals. Dog. Dog is a common noun. But if we are giving any name to it like Tommy, then Tommy will not be common noun. Same goes for things also. Pen. Pen will be a common noun. But Natraj pen, then Natraj will not be a common noun, even though it's a pen. But a special name is given to that name, so it will not be a common noun. Now we will learn about proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Before starting proper nouns, I would like to give you a few more examples to make common nouns more clear. First, they live in the city. They live in the city. Now, city is a common noun here. City is a what? City is a common noun. City is a general name for place. Second, it is his dog. Here in this sentence, what is common noun? Dog is a common noun. Dog is a general name for animal. Third, he is a a doctor. So doctor is a general name for a person. So doctor is a common noun. Here they live in the city. City is a common noun. It is his dog. Dog is a common noun. He is a doctor. Doctor is a common noun. Hopefully now you got what are common nouns. Now students, what are proper nouns? We use proper noun for the names of people, places, animals, and things. For example, people like teacher. Teacher is a common noun, but if special name is given to a teacher like Durga teacher, then Durga will be what? Durga will be a proper noun. Durga teacher will be a proper noun. Places like school. School is a common noun. School is the example of common noun. But a special name is given like Maharishi Sanipani School. Then it will be proper noun. Here animals. Animals like cat, Dennis. Cat is a common noun. I given her name. Dennis. Dennis will be a proper noun. Things like fan. Fan is a common noun, but Usha's fan, then Usha will be a proper noun. So hopefully now you got it. Difference between common nouns and proper nouns. If a special name is given to a noun, it will be a proper noun. One more thing about proper noun. Proper noun begins with a capital letter. Few more examples. My cousin name is Leela. Leela is a person. Leela is a Leela is a proper noun. Leela is what? Leela is a proper noun because a special name is given to a person. Number 2, my kitten's name is Ruby. Ruby is a name of kitten. So a special name is given to a noun. If a special name is given to a noun, it will be proper noun. So here Ruby is a proper noun. New York is a big city. New York is a place. Now a special name is given to a place. New York. So New York will be a proper noun. Natraj is a dark pencil. Now Natraj, here we are talking about pencil. Pencil is a thing, but here a name is given to a noun, that is Natraj. Then Natraj will be proper noun. Now we will do one exercise related to common noun and proper noun. Then further we will move to regular plurals. Before starting this topic, I want to tell you more about proper nouns. So proper nouns also includes the name of buildings, streets, roads, languages, months name, days name, much more. So here underline the proper nouns and circle the common noun. In this topic we have to underline the proper nouns and have to circle to the common nouns. Number 1, he speaks Tamil at home. So in this first sentence, what is proper noun and what is common noun? Tamil is a proper noun as it is the name of language, and also Tamil starts with capital letter. Here the spelling of Tamil you can see begins with a capital letter. So it is a proper noun. Sorry, we have to underline the proper noun. At home. Home is a place. So it will be common noun. Here I will circle it. So students, before starting this topic, I want to tell you more about proper nouns. Proper noun also includes the name of languages, rivers, oceans, buildings, streets, days names, months name like January, February. All these are also included in proper nouns. So let's start. Underline the proper noun and circle the common nouns. Here in this topic we have to underline the proper nouns and have to circle to the common nouns. Number 1, he speaks Tamil at home. Tamil is the name of language, and Tamil also begins with capital T. So it is a proper noun. I will underline it. At home. Home is a common noun as home is a place. So I will circle it. The Indian Ocean is very big. Here in this sentence, Indian Ocean is the name of ocean. So it also starts with capital letter. You can see the first letter of Indian Ocean is capital. So it will be proper noun. I will underline it. Number 3, Sarla is a dancer. Sarla is a special name of a person. A special name is given to a person and it also starts with a capital letter. So Sarla will be proper noun. I will underline Sarla is a dancer. Dancer is also used for person, but here a name is not given, a special name is not given. So I will circle it. It's a common noun. Dancer is a common noun. It's a general name of a person. Number 4, Miss Pushpa is my class teacher. Here Miss Pushpa is a name of a teacher. A special name is given to a noun here. So it's a proper noun. I will underline it. Is my class teacher. Teacher is a general name of a person. So it's a common noun. I will circle it. Number 5. Australia is a large island. Australia is a special name given to a place. So it's a proper noun. When a special name is given to a noun, it is a proper noun. So I will underline Australia. Is a large island. Island is a place, but it's a general name of a place. So I will circle it as it is a common noun. When a general name of people, place, animal, thing is given, it will be listed in a common noun. But if a special name is given to a person, place, thing, animal, it will be listed in a proper noun. Number 6, the river Nile flows through Egypt. So the river Nile is a name of the river. So it will be proper noun. River is Egypt. Egypt is also a special name of a place. So it is also a proper noun. It is also starting with capital E. Egypt spelling is also starting with a capital. So it is proper noun. So let's move to number 7. The mango is the national fruit of India. In this sentence, what is proper noun and what is common noun, student? The mango. The mango is a proper noun. Why it is proper noun? Because here we are talking about a particular fruit. So it's a proper noun. I will underline the mango. Is the national fruit of India. India is also a proper noun. So as it is a name of a country, so here also I underline India. And what about common noun? In this sentence, which is common noun, fruit is a common noun. So here I will circle fruit. Number 8, Jupiter is a planet. In this sentence, Jupiter is a proper noun. It's a special name of a planet. So here I will underline Jupiter is a planet. Planet is a common noun. So I will circle it. Okay, that's all, students. Hopefully you understood what are common noun and what are proper nouns. So goodbye, have a nice day and take care of yourself.